Welcome, in front of me is a General Mobile GM9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is the SIM eject tool, like this. They come provided in a box with the device, but if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip that has been straightened out so it will fit in there, and it's long enough to basically push in the tray, or basically the pin in there. So the tray is located on the left top side of the device, right here, as you can see, by the fact that the tool is just in there. And what you want to do is, once it's in there, push it firmly, and you will see that the tray just pops up. And then all you need to do is just pull it out all the way, and closer to the edge you have the space for the SD card, which is the bigger space, and then on the right side you will have space for the SIM. So as you can see, like this. Now make sure they're both laying flush with the tray itself, as you can see. And all you need to do now is just, while holding it secure, slide it back into the device, like so. And just unlock the device. Now, as you can see, the SIM card has a pin, so I'm just gonna put it in and let's confirm it. And then there's the SD card. So you can see that both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.